I'm Liu Haitao from Agrich Seeds China. We are NG in cucurbits group, mainly watermelon, squash, pumpkin, and cucumber. This time I came to Green Gold Seed Company and visit their farm. We find many good varieties. And our new hybrid has good results in its farm. So I think in future we had good relations and cooperate with Green Gold Seed Company. Thank you.